Yellowstone National Park is America's first national park, and it's home to some of the most incredible geothermal features on Earth. People come from all over the world to visit this special place and experience its beauty firsthand. But what they don't know is that there's something really strange happening beneath the surface. Something so incredible that if people knew about it, they might never want to go there again. Keep watching to find out just how deep the mysteries of Yellowstone run. We are all aware that Yellowstone National Park is home to some truly spectacular views. From its amazing canyons to its stunning lakes, it's easy to see why so many people are drawn to this park each year. But what we may not be aware of is the fact that all of these things are just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to what Yellowstone has in store for us. In recent years, scientists have been making some truly amazing discoveries about what lies beneath the surface of this national park. And they're uncovering secrets that could change our understanding of the planet forever. So join me on this journey as we explore the hidden depths of Yellowstone and discover what's really going on beneath the park. Yellowstone National Park is located in the northwest corner of Wyoming, and it spans over 2.2 million acres of land. The park is home to a variety of wildlife, including bison, elk, wolves, and bears. It also has a variety of geothermal features, including geysers, hot springs, and mud pots. One of the most famous features of Yellowstone is its geysers. The most well-known geyser in the park is Old Faithful, which erupts every 90 minutes. There are hundreds of other geysers in the park, though, and they erupt at different intervals, creating a spectacular display of water and steam. The geothermal features of Yellowstone are the result of the fact that the park is located on top of a supervolcano. A supervolcano is a volcano that has had multiple eruptions that are greater than 800 cubic kilometers of material. Yellowstone is the only known supervolcano in the United States. It should be noted that while the word supervolcano may sound scary, it's important to remember that these volcanoes are not necessarily more dangerous than other volcanoes. They just tend to have larger eruptions. In fact, the last eruption of Yellowstone was relatively small compared to its overall size. It's unclear when the next eruption will occur, but scientists are confident that it will happen sometime in the next 640,000 years. It's easy to get lost in the beauty of Yellowstone National Park. Its geysers, hot springs, and mud pots are truly amazing to behold. But we must also remember that we are standing on top of one of the most powerful forces in nature, a supervolcano. While we can marvel at the beauty of Yellowstone, we should also be aware of the danger that lies beneath. But there's even more to Yellowstone than meets the eye. Beneath the surface, there's a whole other world of activity going on. And it's much more than just geothermal features that are being formed. Scientists have discovered that there's a vast network of caves beneath Yellowstone National Park. These caves are the result of the acidic waters of Yellowstone's geothermal features eroding away at the rock. Some of these caves are very large and could easily fit a person inside. Others are very small and can only be explored by using special equipment. One of the most interesting things about these caves is that they're home to a variety of microorganisms. These microorganisms are adapted to living in the extreme conditions of the caves, and they're some of the only life forms that can survive in such an environment. To explore these caves, scientists use a variety of techniques. They may use cameras to take images of the caves, or they may use special sensors to detect changes in temperature and acidity. This helps them to map out the caves and learn more about the environment. The discovery of these caves has allowed scientists to learn more about the geothermal features of Yellowstone and the amazing life forms that live in such extreme environments. It's just one more example of the incredible things that we can learn from nature if we take the time to explore it. And yet, there's still more to Yellowstone than meets the eye. Beneath the surface, there's a whole other world of activity going on. Scientists have discovered that there's a vast network of magma chambers beneath Yellowstone National Park. These magma chambers are filled with molten rock that has the potential to cause some truly amazing geological activity. Some of these chambers are very large and can stretch for miles. Others are very small and can only be detected using special equipment. To explore these magma chambers, scientists use a variety of techniques. They may use seismic waves to image the chambers, or they may use special instruments to measure changes in the Earth's magnetic field. This helps them to map out the chambers and learn more about the molten rock that lies beneath the surface. The discovery of these magma chambers has allowed scientists to better understand the geothermal features of Yellowstone and the potential for volcanic activity in the area. It's just one more example of the incredible things that we can learn about our planet if we take the time to explore it. But the story doesn't end there. Beneath the surface of Yellowstone, there's a whole other world of activity going on. Scientists have discovered that there's a vast network of faults beneath the park. These faults are fractures in the Earth's crust that can cause earthquakes. Some of these faults are very large and can stretch for hundreds of miles. Others are very small and can only be detected using special instruments. To explore these faults, scientists use a variety of techniques. They may use GPS to track the movement of the Earth's crust, or they may use seismometers to detect earthquakes. This helps them to map out the faults and better understand the tectonic activity in the area. The discovery of these faults has allowed scientists to better understand the seismic activity in the Yellowstone area and the potential for earthquakes. It's just one more example of the incredible things that we can learn about our planet if we take the time to explore it. It's amazing to think about all of the activity that's happening beneath the surface of Yellowstone National Park. From the vast network of caves to the magma chambers and faults, there's a lot more to this park than meets the eye. Scientists are still exploring and discovering new things all the time, and we're sure to learn even more about this amazing place in the years to come. So the next time you visit Yellowstone, remember that you're not just standing on top of some beautiful scenery. You're standing on top of a world of activity that's been shaped by some of the most powerful forces in nature. As we continue to explore Yellowstone, we're sure to uncover even more secrets about this amazing place. Who knows what other amazing discoveries await us? Perhaps there are even more caves, magma chambers, and faults that we haven't even discovered yet. One of the most exciting things about Yellowstone is that it's still largely unexplored. There's so much that we don't know about this park that it's sure to hold many more surprises. Perhaps there are even more amazing geothermal features waiting to be discovered, or even new species of animals and plants. The possibilities are really endless. As we continue to explore Yellowstone, we'll no doubt uncover even more secrets about this amazing place. Perhaps we'll discover even more caves, magma chambers and faults, or maybe we'll find something that we never even imagined possible. One thing is for sure, though. Yellowstone is truly a remarkable place that's unlike any other on Earth. It's a place where the power of nature can be felt in every corner, and where the beauty of the landscape is matched only by the wonders that lie beneath the surface. The exploration of Yellowstone National Park is a reminder that there's still so much that we don't know about our world. It's a reminder that there are still places that are truly wild and untouched, and that there are still wonders waiting to be discovered. So let's continue to explore Yellowstone and all that it has to offer. Let's marvel at its beauty, and let's uncover the secrets that lie beneath the surface. Who knows what amazing discoveries await us? So the next time you're near Yellowstone National Park, take a moment to appreciate all of the amazing things that this park has to offer. Not only is it a beautiful place to visit, but it's also a reminder of the incredible power and beauty of nature. You might not see any bears or bison or other wildlife, but you'll know that you're standing on top of one of the most amazing places on Earth. Hopefully you enjoyed learning about what really goes on beneath Yellowstone National Park. If so, be sure to stay tuned for more videos just like this one. We love sharing amazing stories about the natural world with all of you, and we hope that you enjoy them as well. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.